Hello guys, have you come across error code 6, config error? Please try restarting the game, while playing Soul Knight Prequel. If yes, then in this video, I will show you some workarounds to fix Soul Knight Prequel error code 6 on Android. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe us for latest videos. Okay, let's move ahead. First solution to fix the error is by checking the server status of Soul Knight Prequel game. When the server is down or in maintenance mode, you will not be able to play the game. You can know the current status by visiting the official Soul Knight Prequel not Facebook page or forums for any announcements. Second solution is to delete the app cache and data. It's one of the best trick to fix the error and play the game without any interruption. Just go to Settings, click on Apps, look for Soul Knight Prequel, tap on Storage, finally tap on Clear Cache. Third solution is to check if the game needs any update. While playing an outdated game can also lead to error code 6. So you should make sure to have the latest version of the game. Just open Google Play Store, click on My Device and Games and then look for Update tab. Search for Soul Knight Prequel game and hit on Update option. Fourth solution is to relogin the game once. It's a common method that can help you to get rid of the problem immediately. Just click on Logout option and again log in to the game after waiting for a few minutes. Hopefully, this resolves the error. Fifth solution is to exit the game once and again come back after a few minutes. You may get out of the game while using card packs, so it's better to leave the game but make sure not to click on return to main menu as it can delete your stuff. Sixth solution is to reinstall the Soul Knight Prequel game to get out of the error. This is only suggested when nothing works for you. Just click the app from home screen and tap on uninstall option. Now, open Google Play Store and search for Soul Knight Prequel. Finally, tap on Install option. 7 fixes is to avoid using a VPN service. If you are also among various users who use VPN, then stop using it as it may lead to such error. Just disable the service and then check if it has fixed Soul Knight Prequel error code 6. So all these are the best fixes for error code 6 in Soul Knight Prequel game. I hope you have successfully applied all of them and can access the game without any problem.